Okay, good morning everyone. So today is the turn of the explanation of our last chapter of this assessment, which is the calendar poem written by Barry O'Brien. Children, when you hear the word calendar, what comes to your mind? Dates, months, which makes a calendar, right? So every month carries seasons. There are four seasons, as you know, in a year. Each seasons last about 3 months, and every season brings something great to look forward to. Every season has its own downside too. For example, in summer, dry places like Rajasthan, Gujarat faces lots of problem of water. In winters, places like or hilly areas gets more colder, and almost everything gets freeze there. Same way during monsoon, a state like Maharashtra faces a lot of problem, and even we too face problem during monsoon. When we get excess of rain. Then what happens? We face the problem of flood, waterlogging. It becomes so drastic that sometimes we are not able to come to school. Right? If you remember the last year, what happened? We were not able to came to school because of the flood and the waterlogging on the street. So in this poem, we will see the about the different months of the year, and we find out what is special about each of them. We'll not see the disadvantages, but we'll see the what is different and what is interesting in these months, in these seasons month wise. Okay, so as you can see, in January it's freezing cold in the hills where they are brave and bold. So what happened in January? January, as you know, it's freezing cold. Freezing cold means so cold that it turns water into ice. That is called a freezing cold. And in hills where they are brave and bold, and you know the hilly areas are already so cold, but in January, those hilly areas where these these winds become brave and bold means they do not afraid of anyone, and they make water into ice. They turn water into ice. They make do snowfall there. They have lots of fog, so nobody is going to hold them. Nobody can stop them in doing so. Then what happened in February? Next February, the shortest one, 28 or 9, and it's done. Means in January, what happens? It is of 20 to 9 days, and then it's a very short month, we know, and 20 to 9, and it's complete and it's finished. Then what happened in March? In March, birds fly here and birds shape there, and the sky is so blue everywhere. Now in March, what happens? The birds start flying over here and there, and they started chirping. Chirping means it's a sound of a bird, and the sky is so blue everywhere. Means sky started get clear. The April sun brings a wave of heat. There are less people on every street. Means in April, what happens? The weather change, and summer starts, and it brings waves of heat. Wave of heat means very hot weather. There is less people on every street, and nobody likes to go out from their house, and people wanted to stay at their home because streets become so outside become so hot. The sun shines strong through the month of May. The temperature rises every day. So same goes with the May also. In May also, sun rises so strong, temperature keeps on increasing, and the temperature rises every day. Rises temperature means the measurement in degree of how hot or cold something is. The temperature increases. It become hot and hotter. Then clouds crowd the sky. It's already June. As it rains and it pours, it's the monsoon. Now clouds crowd the sky, means the clouds are gathering. In which month? In the month of June. And it rains and it pours, it's monsoon. And what happens in June? It rains, it pours means falls heavily and continuously, means rains heavily and continuously, and it's a monsoon. And you know monsoon is a season of heavy rain. Then what happens after that? In after June, what happens? It rains. It rains cats and dogs in July too. I just love the smell of rain. Do you? Now here poet is saying that it rains cats and dogs. Rains cat and dogs means that it rains very heavily. Mean it's continually. It's continuous. Having a heavy rain, and I just love the smell of rain. Do you? Now here poet is saying that he loves the smell of rain. When rainwater gets on the dry place or dry land, it releases smell, a good smell, a soothing smell. So he said that he likes that smell. Do you like? Now, angry rivers and floods on the street, August could be difficult to beat. Now, what happens in August after July? You know that's a month of difficulty because of the heavy rain. And because of heavy rain, what happens? Flood and waterlogging problem we face, right? So, flood on the street, August could be difficult to beat. It's very difficult to beat August. Warm September in month is month number 9. Some days are still wet, some days are fine. Now you know that September is the ninth month of the year, and here we get little rain. Some days we get rain, some days not. So it's saying that some days are still wet and some days are fine. Then October brings festivals and fun, prayers, food, and friendship with everyone. Now, as you know, that the October is the month of festival. As you know, Dashera and Diwali mostly falls in October only. So October brings festival and funs, prayers, food, and friendship with everyone. It's a very pleasant month, and we enjoy our festival also. Then 14th November, after October what comes? November. So 14th November is Children's Day. The weather is good in every way. So 14th November what comes? It comes Children's Day, and weather, you know, it's good in every way. Then December, the last month of the year, spreads love, warmth, happiness, and good cheer. Means December is the last month, as you know, this is the last month of the year, and it is spread love and warmth. Warmth means friendly and welcoming. Why it's welcoming? Because after December again we are going to have a new year, so it welcomes the new year also. Happiness and good cheer means December is a month of happiness, and it's a month it's a month of being happy and be cheerful. As you know that in December we get Christmas also. We all love Christmas. We have New Year after December, so we all welcome that. We spend 31st very well. We do party and all, because the whole month gets a whole year gets end over here only, and we start the new year. So that's why it says that the it spread love, warmth, happiness, and good cheer. Please learn this poem and read out again.